Venmo app review. First, let me introduce Venmo. It's a popular peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send, receive, and request money quickly. It's widely used for splitting bills, paying friends, and making small purchases. App overview. It's owned by PayPal. Venmo integrates social features with financial transactions, making payments feel more interactive. In terms of installation and setup, it's available on iOS and Android. The app is easy to install and requires linking a bank account, debit card, or credit card for transactions. Key features: instant transfers, send and receive money quickly. Venmo Card, a debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Payment notes and emojis, social feed for tracking payments. Bill splitting, easily divide expenses with friends. Crypto buying, buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency. In terms of performance and usability, the app is user-friendly, with a simple interface and fast transactions. However, instant transfers to a bank come with a small fee. Next, let's tackle its pros and cons. Pros: easy to use and widely accepted, social features for tracking payments, fast transfers between Venmo users. Cons: fees for instant transfers and credit card payments, limited international use, only available in the US. Pricing and plans: free for standard bank transfers, 1 to 3 days. 1.75% fee for instant transfers. 3% fee for credit card payments. In comparison to Cash App and Zelle, Venmo offers more social features but charges fees for certain transactions. In conclusion, Venmo is a great choice for easy, social-friendly money transfers, especially for casual payments among friends. However, the fees for instant transfers and credit card payments may be a downside for some users. And that's all for this review. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.